Here we have a quick Trouble in Terrorist Town game. If you're a terrorist, put your thumb up and look up. Okay, hands down. All right.
Cards.
What the? Someone shot already? I'm not quite sure who's shooting over there, but I know it's not one of the terrorists. I want to try and get a little closer to Graydon. He's the other terrorist. Now that I watched the video back, I actually distract Matt. Then Graydon hits him in the head with a foam brick. What are you doing, Matt? So what are you doing? This is an awesome shot of a BB bouncing right off the very top of Mike's helmet. Everybody's so distracted by Graydon, they don't even hear or see me. Joe is my next victim. This was the game for helmet shots because I get Joe right in the helmet as well. Got one of our young new players shooting at me, but I don't really want to shoot him. Flip it to try shot. Well, he got me. Alright, well, this was a super fun one. If you enjoy, like and subscribe.